Ang igyang sa tas minsan na dito. Saan nandito akong sa labas na? Kasi sa nataktan na ako.
Let us not promote experiences by participating actively in this country. Let us all stand as we sing the anthem and welcome the clergy of Urdaneta and neighboring dioceses, the Most Reverend Charles John Brown, Apostolic Nuncial of the Philippines, with His Eminence Jose Cardinal Advincula, Archbishop of Manila, His Eminence Orlando Cardinal Quevedo, Archbishop Emeritus of Cotabato, with Archbishops and Bishops of the Philippines.